I've always found the moon fascinating. It's been there, watching over us for billions of years. But have you ever wondered why we only see one side of it? That's tidal locking at work. It's a simple idea, but it reveals so much about gravity and orbits. So let me walk you through it, step by step. What is tidal locking? Tidal locking happens when a celestial body's rotation period matches its orbital period around another body. In other words, it spins at the same rate it orbits, so one side always faces the other. It's not magic, it's all about tidal forces. Gravity pulls on the orbiting body, stretching it slightly, like how the moon raises tides on Earth. This creates friction inside the body, slowing its spin over time until it locks in place. The moon, as an example, it's the perfect illustration. The moon orbits Earth every 27.3 days, and it rotates on its axis in exactly the same time. That's why we always see the same face, the near side with those familiar craters and seas. The far side, we didn't even know it existed until spacecraft like Luna 3 photographed it in 1959. This locking happened early in the moon's history, probably within the first billion years. Earth's gravity tugged on the moon, creating tidal bulges that caused internal friction, slowing its spin. Now, it's perfectly synced. It's interesting to think about what this means for the moon. Geologically, the moon is asymmetrical. The near side is relatively smooth, covered in dark, ancient volcanic plains called Maria. Meanwhile, the far side is far more rugged and heavily cratered, as it lacks those large plains. And fun fact, the moon's orbit is slowly widening because of this tidal friction, pushing it away from Earth by about 3.8 centimeters per year. So that's tidal locking in a nutshell. The moon's just one example of this cosmic dance. It reminds me how the universe has its rhythms. If you've ever stared at the moon and wondered, now you know a bit more. What do you think? Does it change how you see it? Drop your thoughts below, and thanks for watching.